Hello. So, one thing I've noticed with authors is that the idea of writing is very inspiring, but the writing itself is very unnerving. The idea of writing unnerves people not because they do not have clarity about their subject, they have a lot of clarity, not because they do not know what to write or they are not sure about their ideas or their ideas have not helped anybody. Well, their ideas have helped a lot of people and they are very sure of their ideas. The idea of writing is unnerving, and this is what I feel. Why? Because you are putting down your thoughts on paper and you're giving it to people who would review it, who would think through it, and who would give their opinions on it. That is unnerving. So, why don't you be a little gentle on yourself? And when you start writing, after you've decided on your target audience, after you've decided what you want to write, just write. Write for yourself first. We can always edit it, you can always go back to it, but first just write down all your thoughts, and that will give you motivation to create your book.